Welcome back to TeshKidFX for another AGIX price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the AGIX chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $0.39455 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, where I have highlighted the minimum retracement area using this blue target area, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, and that was after seeing a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.67 mark, and also completing that first wave to the upper side. And before we started our Elliot wave structure to the upper side, we had been seeing higher prices in this 1-2 setup that I have right here. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch my target areas in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.31135 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting AGIX to do here on the short term, on the long term scenarios in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for this wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of the wave 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and to give you the short-term scenarios. Here on the 1-hour chart, you can see I have this Elliot wave structure in white, which is the micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3, where at the time of this recording we have now peaked in that first wave to the upside, and we have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2 within this white target area down here. And there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out the target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, that is the minimum target area, using the trend based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.87994 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this wave 3 to the upper side to do, and that is my short-term scenario here on the AGIX chart. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that we need to keep an eye on. And the first one is a break above the 20-day MAs, both on the 1-hour chart and also on the 4-hour chart, because a break above those MAs, they will give us the support that we need for us to continue gearing up. To see a break above our key area of resistance at around the $0.45 mark, and the moment we manage to break above that, we can expect a successful retest, and once the retest is in, then we can continue gearing up to our next significant high at around the $0.5 mark. and a break above that will trigger even higher prices to give us a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure right here at around the $0.59 mark, and a break above the $0.59 mark. That will be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing is the start of that massive run up to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And getting back to the 4-hour chart to take a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 44 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.